I get this message a lot in my comments. The vaccine is poison in regards to the COVID vaccine. So let's look at the ingredients in it. First, the J&J vaccine got pulled, so that one X'd out. But let's look at Moderna. Our first and primary ingredient is the mRNA, which is where the mRNA vaccine gets its name from. This is messenger ribonucleic acid, and instead of having a live virus in the vaccine when you're given it, it has these inside of the vaccine, which is coded in a way that it tells your cells to create the spike protein without actually creating live virus, and then your body can create antibodies to that spike protein. So you can create these antibodies without getting sick. And this is what's interchangeable between all the different, in this case, Moderna vaccines. Now let's go through and break down what all of these are. First, we have tromethamine. This is essentially a buffer that makes things less acidic and more alkaline, so it balances the pH. Next, we have a slight variant, tromethamine hydrochloride, so just an HCl added onto it, which is again just a buffer that balances and maintains the pH of body fluids and prevents metabolic acidosis. Next, we have acetic acid, which is the major component in vinegar. Then we have sodium acetate, which is just a salt of acetic acid. Then there's sucrose, this is just sugar. And then we have lipids, which are just different variations of fats. But just for completeness, I'll break these down. So we have SM102 polyethylene glycol, which is what is called an osmotic laxative. It causes water to be retained. We have 2000 dimyristoyl glycerol, which increases phosphorylation of the insulin receptor, so it aids in the transfer and storage of energy. We have cholesterol, which everyone should be familiar with, and then we have this really long name that I'm not going to try. Actually, I will try. 1,2-disteryl SN glycero-3-phosphocholine, which is a natural constituent of cell membranes. And that's it. That's everything that's in that vaccine. None of it is poison. None of it is scary.